Effective client management is the difference between a good business and a great business. From customer service to business development, nothing is as important as an accurate and easy-to-use client system. Accessing client information is a touch away in almost every area of Shortcuts, and adding a new client calling in for their first appointment is built for both speed as well as accuracy. When a new client calls in for their first appointment, first select the day and employee they would like to book for in the appointment book. To add a new client to the system, the receptionist selects New. When taking a new client appointment over the phone, capturing the minimum details is essential. Important fields like name, phone number, and how they heard about you can be set to mandatory, so you can ensure the basics are covered for confirmations and marketing purposes. As this is a new client, we'll choose the New Appointment tag. Once the appointment is made, it will be labelled New, which tells the front desk that the client should fill out a client information card before their first appointment. This can be done using a standard printout or using the digital client information card, using a mobile phone, iPad or tablet. The information then gets automatically synced to your Shortcuts system. Manually captured information can then be added into the client database during downtime at the front desk. The client card area of Shortcuts has several ways in which you can view more information on the client. The main screen displays basic information such as the name, contact details, addresses, client message, and preferred beverage. Along the bottom are other areas that hold various levels and types of information that allows you to drill into the record. Another area of importance is the info area. This area is extremely important for doing marketing searches, as it lists all of the client demographic information such as occupation, birthday, gender, marital status, any clubs they belong to, who their preferred employee is, and where they heard about your business. You can also add alerts into the client card that will be visible from the appointment book and point of sale. This is handy for messages that the front desk should alert the client to when they are in for their visit. Another key client experience feature of Shortcuts is the Client Profile Card, or CPC. The CPC is a printout that is provided to each service provider the morning before their day starts. The CPC is then used to assist your stylists with all of the details they need to deliver a knowledgeable and personalized consultation. This one-page outline has vital information about the service book for that day and previous visit details, including previous notes to follow up on. Details from the visit should then be written on the same form to be entered into Shortcuts to update the CPC for next time. There is also info listed on the CPC that can be used as talking points for upselling, as well as previous retail purchases. Finally, there is a section designated to remind the service provider to recommend and rebook their next appointment. It is a lot easier to rebook at the front desk if the service provider has already instructed the client they would like to see them in 4 weeks. The reception would then enter all the details from that visit into their history to be used in the next visit. To do this, just select the appointment you have notes for and select History. Color formulas and any important products used or service recommendations can be added in the Visit Notes section. The main history view will give you all the past appointments that the client has come in for, the products purchased, and the value of the entire transaction for each visit. You can also see a total view, giving you top-level information about the client, such as the amount the client has spent, number of clients referred, and the average spend, among other values. The success of much of your salon operations and marketing comes down to your client information management. Shortcuts strives to make it easy, so you can be effective in the new competitive market. Contact a Shortcuts consultant for a one-on-one consultation on how Shortcuts can suit you.